Louisville. It's been real. It's been a lot of fun. Now we got to go back to real life. There was no getting talked into the beach. So we're headed back home to snow.
I guess I would have never dreamed we would have to do this to you're right, I guess. I just never dreamed we would be coming back the same way to get hooked up to go to St. Louis.
Back across the Ohio River. Today we don't have to try to see through snow, only rain. See a barge going across there. Indiana. Nice day. Not going to see much of the scenery from the seat of the van. Foggy and wet. It's a temp, 37. Could get dicey if it got much colder. Talking about doing something different next year. We've had a lot of people comment about what we should do as far as where to go warmth, but what did you just say, Jummy?
I said in order to keep my wife happy, we need to go warm perhaps next winter. I don't know if I would like to go a cruise or Cancun or something medium priced, not cheap, not stupid expensive. YouTube friends, give us some advice.
Okay, there you have it. He said he was going to take me someplace warm next winter. So let's hear your suggestions of where we should go that won't break the bank. And we'll hold him to it, right? Green. Wheat, you suppose? Surely. Where are we at? Near a big city?
Near a big city?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
But we just saw the Lincoln's boyhood home, right?
It's somewhere nearby. I don't remember how far away it is. What did the car plate just tell us?
She told us that there was a stalled vehicle ahead. I'm guessing that semi right there. Oh, no, it said police. Unfortunately, we are not close to a Buc-ee's. But Dan and his mom brought us some of these, and they are the bomb. Well, our final day on the road has us leaving from Kansas City. And of course we stayed at the Zeorian outside of the airport. So next stop will be home, and expecting to see a driveway full of snow. Getting navigation tuned in. Should be what, only a couple hours away from home?
It'll take a good 2.5, I think. This thing says 2:22.
Must be our lucky number of the day, 2. What's the temp?
14.
14. On the verge of just getting worse.
By the time we get home, how many hours do you think we'll have sat here?
Since we left home?
Yes.
24 hours.
It'll be about 29 hours.
That's a lot of time with each other. 29 hours. Missouri River bottoms east of Nebraska City. Just prior to hitting the Nebraska state line. Well, we're about to make our final few miles before we turn into the driveway of home. It was brought to my attention that one of my last videos I said we were heading east. I was wrong. We were headed west. So we are just about to pull into our driveway and life will get back to what is usual and typical. So until our next big adventure, whatever that might be, we will see you again real soon. Thanks for following us.
Not much snow.
Hey, Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.